Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Twitter. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Twitter. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. You can go to Play Store. If you find here updating this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your